So this is my next new build for the upcoming season of BattleBots. And this is an interesting one. It's RIPperoni. It's a new pizza bot. I remember we had Battle Royale with cheese. That was a burger. Well, now we got a pizza. So this is how I'm making it. I'm capturing some of the graphics that were on the real thing. And the real thing is an asymmetrical design. And it's even got 2 different sized wheels. I did manage to successfully capture that. And I'm working on the back part. And there's the other wheel that's bigger than the other. And getting the other side worked on right now. It's looking really good so far. That's the back part. Now completed. And there's the front wedgelet. Getting that completed. And there we go. And Mamma Mia! It's a RIPperoni! So what do you think? It's an asymmetrical design. And it's got a big vertical spinner on the front. 2 different sized wheels. I thought I did a pretty good job capturing this asymmetrical design for a vertical spinner. So how does RIPperoni do this season? Does RIPperoni have a successful season? Or does the pizza get cooked? The answer to that question, we'll find out once the season starts airing soon. I can't say anything about the season. Well, I can't say anything about the fights, but I'll talk about that once the fights air. I gotta wait for the fights to air before I can spill the beans about them. Anyways, enjoy your pizza, and till next time, don't get cooked, stay off the hook.